Ever clicked a link and instantly regretted it? Or maybe you got an unknown USB drive near the office and you plugged in just to check what's inside.
Hi, I'm Harshita, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through something which every IT and cybersecurity professional needs to know. Zero trust. And not just what it is, but how you can actually build it yourself with the right tools, in the right way, and at the right time. Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're in your office and someone walks in very confidently with an ID badge that looks real. No one questioned, no one stopped. They head straight to the server room. Scary, right? Well, most cyber attacks happen this silently inside trusted net. In fact, one of the most notorious ransomware attacks started from a contractor's login that no one questioned. That's where zero trust comes in. It says, trust no one, verify everyone. Every device, every user, every system needs to prove itself. And that's why CyberFrat has launched its 2-day hands-on bootcamp powered by Hacktonomy, which is on Zero Trust in Action, end-to-end cybersecurity with open source power. And it's happening on June 28th and 29th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And it's designed for the professionals like you who want to do more than just theory. In just 2 days, you will get experience with building a real zero trust architecture from scratch, working with open source tools like FreeIPA, Keycloak, Authelia, Wazuh, etc., creating real world use cases you can actually deploy at work, understanding how secure identity, networks, and data end to end. So whether you are a cybersecurity analyst, SOC engineer, cloud security professional, or a tech leader planning to upgrade its organization defense strategy, then this bootcamp will give you tools to lead with confidence. And apart from this, you will get training from the industry experts, 14 CP credits, training certificate, and live interactive sessions to clear your doubts. And here's the exciting part. There is a special limited time offer for first 25 seats only. Head to the link in our caption and grab your seat now.